Boy, that's embarrassing, guys. He's going to have a hard time living that one down later when they watch it on tape.
The Raptors shooting a respectable 47% from the field in this one. DeRozan, headed by Green. And the man by Rudy Gay.
And that's what I'm talking about. That's how you do it. Find the gap in the defense and attack that rim with force.
He is so good at doing just that.
You know where I'm at once time runs down.
There's a 4-second differential between the shot clock and game clock. Six.
Oh, he didn't come off me. That was one-handed.
I like what they're doing here, competing until the very end. That's certainly what it looks like. I mean, there's no medal so far.
Ooh.
So it's the Boston Celtics with the W.
Player of the game? Alright, let's get the zoom in. Boom. Nerd, Raptors, scrub.